Imagine dealing with mean words like a champ. Learn the cool tricks to respond confidently, turn insults into laughter, and even make rude people think twice. Join the fun and discover how to be the hero of your own story. Dealing with mean words. So, if someone says something unpleasant to you, it's okay to feel a bit upset. But guess what? There might be better ideas than just reacting super fast. Take a deep breath, think about what to say, and answer calmly. It's like having superhero powers. For example, if someone calls you a not-so-nice name, you can say, "I don't like being talked to like that." It shows you're strong and in control, making them think twice about being rude. Being cool is like being a superhero.
No, we don't go at it every time you're here.
Last time with the cocaine, I was in the front row with that
I've been doing this for 19 years. Yeah, I remember that day. That's how important you are. Of course. I remember doing Letterman, Carnegie Hall, and talking to you.
I TKOs people. When I knock people out, they don't move. Who the is that guy?
Connor has some problems, but you must recognize that fans dig his comebacks. See, most folks would fall into the trap of arguing back when someone insults them. They'd be all like, "Who hits harder?" But Connor's got this cool trick. He doesn't even have to argue. Instead, he changes the whole conversation. It's like saying, "Yeah, whatever, I'm still awesome." That way, he shuts down the insult without even going into a considerable debate. Smart move, right? Turning mean moments into kindness magic. Sometimes, when people say not so nice things, it's because they're feeling a bit unhappy inside. But guess what? You can do something cool. Instead of getting mad, try to understand how they might be feeling. If someone says something mean about how you look, you could say, "Everyone has different ideas about beauty, but we're all awesome in our own special way." It's like turning a not-so-nice moment into a chance to spread kindness. And who knows, it'll make them think twice about being rude.
Where someone tries to insult Kumail Nanjiani.
Is Kumail Nanjiani's multiple colors? Yes. Every shade of your mom's lipstick.
This lady tells him, "If you were my husband, I'd poison your tea." He goes, "If you were my wife, I'd drink it." Now, here's another story. Picture this. Dennis Learides is Greg Giraldo for not being quick with comebacks. It's like when you play a fast game and someone isn't as sharp, but here it's with words.
Is it to really burn Leary?
You're the guy in school that did all the homework and then asked if there was any more that needed to be done. Yeah. That's a good point. And if you had tried a little comedy writing, maybe your show would still be on the air. Oh!
There's two downs.
So, here's the deal with these clever comebacks. First, they're super bright, so doing them can be tricky. And second, even though everyone watching might think you're fantastic, the person you're replying to might not feel great about it. So, it's like playing a game. You might score points but don't want to hurt anyone's feelings in the process. Turning insults into laughter. When someone says something that's not nice, you can use humor to turn it into a funny moment. But here's the trick, you must be careful not to be mean back. So, if someone makes fun of your smartness, you can say something clever like, "Well, I'm not a genius, but I'm smart enough to be with positive pals." It's like making a joke without being mean, and it can even make everyone laugh. And that's an excellent way to handle not-so-nice moments.
If it's something it's hard to fix, does it mean we shouldn't do anything about it? Because you said, "Oh, I don't know if we can change how people think." Does that mean we shouldn't try?
I mean, first of all, not a great impression.
Someone says something mean, you can turn it around and make them look silly without being mean back. It's like playing a fun game. So, the person who said the not-so-nice thing won't feel upset. It's like making a tricky move without hurting anyone's feelings. Saying no to rudeness. It's like having invisible superhero boundaries when someone acts not so lovingly. You tell them, "I like hearing helpful stuff, but I won't accept constant negativity. Let's not talk about my cool achievements if you can't be supportive or share good advice." It's like telling them the superhero rules. You expect to be treated nicely because you're awesome. If someone says something mean and hurts your feelings, you can tell them it's not okay, like saying, "That was not nice." Then, instead of giving them more attention, you can talk about something else or play with your friends. It's like saying, "I won't let their mean words bother me." It might even upset them because bullies often want people to pay attention to them. The same style game. If someone says something not so lovely, you can say something back in the same style, like a little joke. It's like a back and forth game where you both get a turn. But remember, it's all in good fun, like a playful game of words.
Style.
I need to watch this movie.
You ever seen Spider-Man Homecoming? I haven't seen the Falcon. Oh no, there isn't one. Sorry.
You'll notice in the tit for tat example.
So, in the same style game, when someone starts with a not so nice comment, you can say something back that makes them laugh. It's like making a funny joke to show them it's all in good fun. And guess what? If they started it, they can't get mad at you for joining the fun. But you know what? Be careful not to go too far or make them feel upset.
The tit for tat method is a good way to turn an insult into fun banter. Within this framework, there's a good rule for specifically if someone tries to insult you.
Let me tell you about a fun way to handle mean words called the same style game. If someone says something not so nice about your appearance, you can turn it into a funny joke to make everyone laugh. Here's an excellent tip. Make a silly picture in their mind. Imagine someone saying something not cool about your appearance. You complete it funny by imagining something ridiculous in their head. Stay cool and grow. So, imagine someone says something not so lovely, but you know what? You can show them you're like a superhero, unbothered and super cool. Instead of feeling sad about it, you can use their words as a kind of power to become even better. If someone says you're not great at speaking in public, you can join a fantastic club to learn and improve. It's like turning their not so nice words into a superpower for yourself. Sometimes, when someone says not so nice things, you can be like a funny superhero.
Listen to Norm Macdonald in this next clip. Notice how he's able to make everyone laugh and make himself look good without being rude to the interviewer who insulted him.
You've admitted that you're lazy. I think you've read 6 books in your life.
I've read 6.
6. What kind of a woman would be attracted to you, do you think?
Well, I have a lot of money.
Another easy way to
check out Norm Macdonald. He's in this clip where someone says something not cool to him. But you know what? Instead of being rude, he makes everyone laugh and even makes himself look good. It's like turning a not so nice moment into a funny one without being mean. Just laugh. Imagine someone saying something not cool, and instead of feeling upset, you laugh. It's like showing them your confidence is super strong and their words don't bother you. So, it's like saying, I'm cool and I can laugh off anything.
A mechanic from Nordstrom Rack, dude. That's the fucking problem, dude. You're like, damn, I didn't know Nordstrom Rack did tires, you know?
During our sex scene, I felt your dick rubbing into me.
Chris Evans is in truth a great actor, but he plays Captain America like he's a big dumb hunk of
As
super confidence tipped. Imagine building super confidence is like growing a big, strong tree. First, notice the awesome things you are good at and celebrate even the little wins. It's like cheering for yourself. When things get tricky, see them as chances to learn and become even more remarkable. And guess what? Don't be too harsh on yourself if stuff doesn't go as planned. Hang out with happy, encouraging friends who make you feel fantastic. Do things that make you happy and care for yourself, like a champion routine. Make little goals, celebrate when you do them, and keep learning new stuff. Believe you can do anything. That's the secret to super confidence.